to the UP Fighting Maroons for beating the UP Lady Warriors. And biceps, we have Coach Benson Bokbok, Ian Orlando, and Joan Onares. Coach, congratulations for this victory. Your thoughts about your team's performance today? You fought back from a 0-2 set deficit, but you were able to pull this off.
So, tinitignan pa natin kasi kailangan makapag-adjust sila sa venue. First game of the season. Of course, coming into the season, excited yung mga players. Hindi pa rin alam kung what to expect. Hindi rin natin alam kung yung changes na since nawalan sila ng mga players. Ano yung gagalawin nila. So, later part, umaban sila. Tapos medyo kami yun ako. So, buti naman nakuha natin sa number.